big no for Rahul Gandhi because he lacks capabilities. He's just into politics just because of his family pressure. Like someone like Rajiv Gandhi was also pitched in by Congress long time ago, but somehow he was able to manage it. So actually I feel Priyanka Gandhi or no Congress.
No, I really don't think Rahul Gandhi can revive the Congress party. Now, party politics is very central to our country. And even like if you have two major parties, Congress and BJP, they both, like BJP has a face. Even if it's just one leader, they are centering into. But Congress doesn't have a face.
I don't think so, not for now. Like they've gone down to a level that the BJP have gone up much higher than the Congress.
Yes, I think so. Rahul Gandhi can revive Congress within this few years, after this few years.
The corruption that it has created over last decade it can't be filled now. But and Rahul Gandhi doesn't seem so mature about the party. He sleeps during the parliamentary debates, and then he raises such senseless questions. I don't think so. The Congress party can be revived at all.
I guess Congress does not lack leaders and not leadership as such. Rahul Gandhi, we've seen Nehru, then we've seen Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi, and then Sonia Gandhi. I mean, Rahul Gandhi is only talking about women empowerment and actually not doing anything about it as such. So I don't think Rahul Gandhi is doing any good to the party.
I think Rahul Gandhi can, but फिलहाल अभी तक अगर देखा जाए तो जहाँ वो लोग रैली करते हैं उनमें जैसे बोलने का ढंग जैसे इन द सेंस जैसे कहते हैं ना कि पब्लिक से एक इंटरेक्शन करना, उस चीज़ में थोड़ा सा हमको भी लगता है थोड़ी सी कमी है. बट एज अ इंडिविजुअल अगर मैं सोचूं, कांग्रेस पार्टी की ज़रूरत हमारे देश को है, और अगर मेरे हिसाब से कोई अगर लीडर उसको आगे कर सकता है वो है कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह.
I think Rahul Gandhi is the only option in Congress party because we have seen that after Sonia Gandhi, we didn't see any faces, new faces, like powerful faces. So Rahul Gandhi, I think Rahul Gandhi can do better than anyone in Congress.
जी नहीं, कांग्रेस पार्टी को कोई रिवाइव नहीं कर सकता. और कांग्रेस पार्टी जब तक अपनी विचारधारा और कार्यशैली नहीं बदलेगी तब तक कांग्रेस क्या कोई भी पार्टी नहीं टिक पाएगी. आज कहा जाता है कि केजरीवाल सरकार ऐसा कर रही है, वैसा कर रही है. ज़्यादातर बयान बीजेपी की तरफ से आते हैं. मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि आज इलेक्शन करवा लो, बीजेपी को 70 में से 3 सीटें मिली थी, वो भी नहीं मिलेंगी.
From the Gandhi family, they are not been able to do what they used to do before. So Congress, they have to come out of the box now, work up to the box.
All the people, even the common people, know that the reality that during the UPA second time that what happened, and the price inflation at that time, the unemployment at huge level. So these things really affected the dilapidated condition of the Congress. So I don't think so that it will revive very soon.